Let's check out how can we get and save data from NIST Thermodynamic database engine. We're going to do this for the water ethanol system, and we require vapor liquid equilibrium data. So remember that first we need to state water and ethanol as a component, then click on NIST and run the binary results. Once you run them, you can save any set here, but right now we're interested on the vapor liquid equilibrium, so select this folder and let's save the relevant data for vapor liquid. So this seems good. Let's save it. And you can see you can still add more to the list. Right now I'm just going to include this one right here, and it's saved under the data folder. Just open here and you will see that it has two components. The type of data is temperature, pressure, composition, and the data which we saved is present here. So this is, theoretically speaking, experimental data. It shows temperature, pressure. Even though it states its pressure, actually this is at constant pressure, so I would say this is more on a TXY diagram useful. It shows X for ethanol and water, Y for ethanol and water. We can add even more if we want to compare. Let's say we want to compare both data. We can here. Now in this specific case we cannot compare it directly because the pressure has been changed. So that's very important. Whenever you're saving, ensure that you have the same conditions. For example, this one is at 1 atmosphere. Let me save that. Let me go back to data. And this is at 1 atmosphere. Yes. This is 1 atmosphere. Yes. So let's get rid of this one, which is not at 1 atmosphere. And we could, in theory, compare this. Actually, let's make a TXY diagram. And let's get here TXY diagram. Now let me merge both plots. So as you can see, they are pretty similar. Let me always use a single y-axis. So you can see the data is pretty similar. They follow the same trends here as well, and the idea is eventually to create a regression for our model, and using experimental data we will get parameters for our new models, so we can choose for further pressures, temperatures, compositions using water and ethanol.